Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download CoinMarketCap application on your iOS device. So let's dive into the video and get it done. First of all, open your App Store and then go to the search box and type in CoinMarketCap. Once you come across this application, tap on the Get button to begin downloading the application. CoinMarketCap is a great resource for tracking the cryptocurrency market. It is used for several purposes within the cryptocurrency market. Some of them are tracking prices and market data, discovering new cryptocurrencies, research and make investment decisions, and much more. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to launch Open CoinMarketCap on your mobile device. Now, you can go ahead and log into an existing account if you have any, or start signing up by tapping on Create a New Account. So that's how easily you can download the CoinMarketCap application for iOS device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.